Welcome back to Rock It Don't Stock It. Today we're going to look at the Nike Off-White Air Force Ones. As you might have seen in my previous video, I've already had a look at the Off-White Zoom Flies in black, which came out late last year, but now I've got the chance to have a look at the Air Force One in black as well. So the upper on this is a lot more structured and different to the Zoom Fly. Obviously the colour usage is the same. It's going to be black all over with white highlights and the occasional branding in orange, but everything else is different on this shoe. It's a more rugged shoe in my opinion than the Zoom Fly. So the upper consists of a variety of materials. You get a few dots of that sort of TPU material on the toe covering up the stitching. They've gone for a no-sew upper. In between each panel you can see there is stitching that's been covered up with that sort of rubber plasticky TPU material on the toe, and then same on the side. You got the white swoosh. On the lateral side, you've got the same big white swoosh in that sort of holographic textured material. The orange tab that you usually get on off-white pairs. So on the back you got a nice little bit of suede on the heel tab with the logo in the quotation marks. So you get that nice coding detail on the heel as well, which is the same sort of coding you'll see on the blazer pairs. We've got mesh on the toe with these dots on there, some dot detailing. So on the medial side, you've got the same big swoosh, and then you've got the Off-White for Nike text hidden just behind there. You've got the midsole in all black, traditional Air Force One midsole. Then you've got the Air in quotation marks on the heel, as you do on the original pair. Outsole, standard Air Force One outsole there as well. You get the same baby blue zip tie that you get on the Zoom Fly, the black Zoom Fly. You get a nice padded tongue. It's heavily padded tongue. It's pretty thick as well, but it's super comfortable. On the tongue, you got the Nike Sportswear branding on there. On a little tab, same way you get it on the Zoom Fly. On the insole, got the same Off-White logo. Insole. There's a few extra bits of padding on the inner heel lining, just around here. You get a nice little bit of padding there. The two-tone laces set off the upper nicely, breaks up the all black. So they come laced with this two-tone pair. It's like a silver and a black. So you get another pair of laces to lace with these. So you get a nice pair of all white laces with the fluorescent shoelaces. It's beach marks there. So yeah, that's my little overview and review of the Nike Air Force One Off-White in black. As a conclusion, they're just a pair of Air Force Ones at the end of the day. I've never found Air Force Ones to be too special. I think the midsole is a bit too thick. They lack anything exciting design-wise. They're okay as an everyday shoe, but it's not my cup of tea. I won't be keeping these in my collection. I'm probably going to trade them for something else I'd wear. But yeah, sizing wise, I'd suggest going half a size down. They do fit slightly big. I did go true to size. These are a size 8 and they do fit a tad big for me, so half size down for that better fit. But yeah, retail price was £150. That's the review of the Off-White Air Force One in black. If you like this sort of content, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, give me a follow on Instagram at @RocketDon'tStockIt, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
I got loyalty inside my DNA. Broken corner piece, got more